Hey everyone, Andre from BMW Auto House, and I want to quickly show you how to activate your remote starter on your BMW. Now most BMWs will have this except for some models, but all 2022 will have this. Now how to activate it first, the long way, we're going to go to Car, Settings, we're going to go to Climate Control, scroll all the way down to Preconditioning, Remote Engine Start, make sure you got the check mark right there. Once you click it, you got to click OK for the state laws. Now the shortcut, you simply click the menu AC button right here, which will take you to the climate control menu. Simply click the preconditioning again, remote engine start, make sure that the check mark is on. Now all you have to do is click 3 times on the lock button of the key. 1, 2, 3. All we have to do is click 3 times on the lock. 1, 2, 3.